Welcome to the demonstration of how to access individual student reports in CERS. This video is part of the Introduction to CERS for Test Coordinators and Administrators video series. There are two ways an administrator can access the individual student reports, or ISRs, in the California Educator Reporting System, or CERS, in bulk and by individual student. This video will demonstrate both ways and then review specific features of an ISR. This demonstration uses the CERS Sandbox with the District Admin role selected. The first option is to access ISRs in bulk. To do so, search for results by school and grade. In the Search by School section of the homepage, select Sample Middle School, Grade 8, and the current school year from the drop-down lists. Then select the Search button, which opens the results page. Next, select the Printable Reports button. Once selected, a pop-up menu gives the ability to change the report attributes. Beginning with report name, enter any title for the report. Be specific so it's easily identifiable on the My Reports page. Next, select the school year of assessments to include on the ISRs. The current school year is pre-selected. Leave it as is for this demonstration. For the assessment type, ISRs can be printed for either summative or interim assessments. For this demonstration, select Summative Assessment. ISRs can also be printed for different subjects. For this demonstration, using the subject drop-down list, select ELA. The default sort order for ISRs is to print by student name, but they can also be sorted by SSID. For this demonstration, leave it as the default. The Students Who Tested Elsewhere toggle button is used to select whether to show or hide assessment results for students who took the assessment outside of the user's assigned school or district. For this demonstration, leave it as is. Then select the Create Report button. This opens the My Reports page, where the report is pending. The larger the file being created, the longer it takes to create. While this report is processing, let's explore the second way to access ISRs, which is individually. Select the Home icon to return to the CERS homepage. In the Search by Student section, enter the statewide student identifier into the SSID box and select the Search button. A list of SSIDs to use in the CERS Sandbox is included in the resource guide. Once an SSID is entered and the search button is selected, the Student Test History Report page displays. Select the Printable Reports button on the top right, and the pop-up displays as before with the same options, but this prints the ISR only for the selected student. Select the Create Report button and add this individual student's ISR to the queue on the My Reports page. The My Reports page now indicates that the batch of ISRs for middle school grade 8 is complete. Selecting the context menu or three-dot icon next to the report name gives the option to download report data, view the report query, save the report query, or delete the report. Select the Download Report Data option to view the ISRs. ISRs download as a PDF file. Let's examine a sample ISR for a summative ELA assessment. In the header of the ISR, it states the subject, type of assessment, and year. The report also provides the student's name, SSID, enrolled grade, school, and district. The next section provides a brief description of the assessment and a chart of the student's overall achievement. The student's scale score and level are included for the assessment. The color chart indicates where the student's score is in relation to the different reporting levels. Depending on the assessment, there may be more information on student achievement by composite claim or domain. Also, because the summative ELA assessment was selected, there are writing trait scores included on the ISR. This student scored 2 of 4 in evidence and elaboration, 2 of 4 in organization and purpose, and 1 of 2 in conventions. Additionally, if the student received a condition code, it would be included in this section. Please note that ISRs vary between subjects and types of assessment. Getting familiar with the ISRs for all assessments may be useful. To wrap up, this demonstration accessed the sandbox using the district admin role. This video demonstrated how to print ISRs in bulk and print an ISR for an individual student. To try this on your own, the instructions and the link to the CERS Sandbox are in the resource guide. Thank you for watching this demonstration of how to access individual student reports in CERS. The full video series title list and a link to the resource guide are located in the description of this video.